Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys and welcome to this video on the best Forex broker for Jamaica. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of this video. So first I'm going to show you the best Forex broker for Jamaica, then I'm going to show you some of the key features, and finally I'm going to show you how you can get a $30 bonus on your account. Alright, so if you're looking to start Forex trading, it's important to choose a reputable broker that is licensed and regulated to operate in Jamaica. Alright, and one such broker is Hotforex Markets. Alright, so this is the amazing broker here, guys, and Hotforex is a globally recognized Forex broker with over 2 million clients worldwide, and they are licensed and regulated by the Jamaica Financial Services Commission, the FSC. So Hotforex offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different needs and trading styles, including micro, premium, and zero accounts, and they also provide access to a wide range of financial instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Okay, and one of the standout features of Hotforex is their trading platform. They offer both the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, as well as their own proprietary platform called HFM app. Alright, so these platforms are user friendly and offer advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and automated trading options. Hotforex also offers excellent customer service with a team of dedicated professionals available 24 hours 5 days a week to assist clients. Okay, and they provide multilingual support through live chat, email, and phone, ensuring that clients can receive assistance in their preferred language. And in addition to their trading platform and customer support, Hotforex provides a range of educational resources to help clients improve their trading skills and knowledge. Alright guys, so they offer webinars, video tutorials, and market analysis, alright, as well as a demo account for practice trading. Okay, so in conclusion, Hotforex Markets is an excellent broker for Jamaican traders. They are licensed and regulated, offer a variety of trading accounts and instruments, provide excellent customer service and educational resources, and have user-friendly trading platforms. Alright, so if you're looking to start Forex trading in Jamaica, be sure to check out Hotforex. Alright guys, and so right now I'm just going to show you how you can sign up using our link to get that $30 bonus in your Hotforex account. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to click on the link in the description to sign up with this broker. Okay, and then what you want to do next is to click on the section up here that says open live account, and then now you want to go through this section right here, and you want to enter in your details, and then you're going to go ahead and click on register after that. Okay, so I'm going to put in my details and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, so after entering your details now, then you'll see this section here that says registration successful, and that will let you know that an activation link has been sent to your email. Okay, and so you just click on open email, and then you will verify that email address, and then you move on here. Okay, so after you verified your email address, then it's going to take you to this page here, and you will enter some additional details. So I'm just going to put that in, and then I will get right back to you. Okay, now so after you entered all of the details, then and after you verified your identification, you should see this page right here, and you see here it says your My HF account is approved. Okay, and then what I want you to do now is take a look over here on the right side. You see the option that says open CFD trading account. Just click on that. Okay, so you should see take you to this page right here, and you see the different options up here. You see premium, micro, zero spread, but what I want you to take a look at is the option right here that says $30 no deposit. Okay, for the MT4 platform. So this is the one you should select, so hit select. And if you look at this page right now, it shows you the details of the $30 no deposit MT4 trading account details. Alright, and so what you want to do now is go ahead and click on this section here, the terms and conditions, and then you go ahead and click open account. Okay, so then you get this confirmation here that says ready, your live trading account has been created. Okay, alright, and then if you go to the home section again, and you see over here it shows this page, and you see my trading account, and if you look at the section balance here, it says you see the $30 in your account there. Okay, so that's how you know it's in the account there. Alright guys, so there you have the $30 bonus in your account. So just keep in mind you can't withdraw this $30, but it can be used for your trading. Okay, and keep in mind guys, this $30 offer is a limited time promotion, so it may not be available after a few days. Alright, so you want to go ahead and click on that link as soon as possible. Alright, and so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. Alright, and goodbye for now.